Hi everyone, it's Marizza Delgado and I'm here to show you guys my model casting makeup routine. After you're all moisturized, I use a primer. I'm using the Photo Finish foundation primer, and this will just help fill in my pores and mattify my skin. And the next step is concealer. I use Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer. And I just put it in the areas that I need to brighten. Or if you have redness. The next step is to set it with powder. I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Transforming Powder. This one you can get at the drugstore. It's really cheap and I feel like it gives you a good coverage. And also it's very lightweight. The next thing that I do is fill in my eyebrows. I like using a skinny micro brow pencil from ColourPop. And you just want to do feather light strokes. Use the other side spoolie to blend everything out. I make sure to curl my lashes before I apply mascara. I'll be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. This you can also get at the drugstore. I apply mascara by wiggling it onto the lash. I feel like it gives a little bit more volume. And after that, I would be done, but if you want to be a little extra, you can add blush. I really like adding blush because it makes you have a healthy glow. I'm using the Milani Baked Blush. I'm just gonna add a little bit of bronzer. This is the Too Faced Chocolate. And the last step is to add a little bit of glow to your complexion. I'm using the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Shadow in Wisp. And this is super creamy, so you could apply it with your fingers. And I just put it on the high points of my cheeks. Might have put a little bit too much, but it's okay. You can blend it out. And now you're done with your whole makeup routine. Let your hair down. Make sure you have your book, your cards, and you're ready to go. Bye!